Welcome to Educo Animation. Murphy's Laws of Investing. If it looks too good to be true, it probably is. Some companies tend to show statistics above their real stats in order to lure investors into their company. Always make research on the company's statistics and background you want to invest in. If it looks creepy, it probably is. Beware of dying industries and dying markets. Try research on industries you want to invest in to avoid dying or fading industries. Many companies and markets are liquidating and are covering up with fake statistics. Beware of dying cities. There are cities that businesses don't thrive in due to lack of resources, raw materials, and other circumstances. Any business involvement in those cities are prone to failure and loss in investment. Beware of name droppers and name droppings. There are businesses that casually mention celebrities or big brand that has nothing to do with their business in question. Checkmate name validity before investing into it. If you are loving this video, please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Beware of abnormally high returns. Avoid businesses that promises abnormally high returns to bring in new investors. Businesses as such are known as ponzi schemes. Do not sign any contract until you have read it and your attorney have read it. Make sure you go through the contract terms and conditions thoroughly, and if possible, do that with the help of your attorney, so as to fish out loopholes in the contract. Sometimes the best deal ever is the one you choose to avoid. Most times, you just need to sit back and listen to your guts, because it often gives the best advice. We have come to the end of this video. Thanks for watching. Remember to stay educated. Don't forget to leave a like, share your thoughts in the comments section below, and support our channel by smashing that subscribe button.